Hey everyone, this is just a quick run through of some Valentine's papers I put together. I'm just in the middle of doing a Valentine's journal, and so I thought, okay, with all the papers that I've sort of put together for it, I'll put it all together in one sort of size kit and stick it in the Etsy shop if you're interested. So we have 14 pages in total. Sorry, there are 8 of these. There are 2 lined papers, and then there are 4 watermark papers. I will go through them. I think it will be easy. Now these are just printed out on normal copy paper, just plain white, so you can see, which is what I appreciate that most of you do. So the first one is some roses, and I've gone with quotes from Shakespeare because I thought, yeah, I was looking for something a little different, and so this is what I've done. So we've got 2 quotes from Shakespeare on there. I love you with so much of my heart that none is left to protest. I thought that was really nice. And then the other one, it's not enough to speak, but to speak true. There you go. How deep and meaningful is that for, well, what is for me a Sunday afternoon? And then next one is, there's a poem by a Christopher Poindexter, and then another William Shakespeare quote, this one from King Lear. And then this one is just, there's a script background with a couple of roses on the front. And then some more, they are all, it's called Valentine's Rose because for me, Valentine's is about roses and chocolates. So this one is 2 more quotes from Shakespeare. My bounty is as endless as the sea, my love as deep. I thought, yeah, okay, I'll go with that. And then one on that side, and then we have 2 more quotes from Shakespeare here. And then these ones, they're quite a bit more vivid. The roses, I'm really into this typing stuff at the moment, so this one with love is and roses for you. And then with love and I love you, different red roses. And something a little different, cream roses or white roses. True love and for you. And this one is, although I'm not sure if it shows up on the camera, but this one is a lined page with a couple of hearts at the top. These are backing pages in essence. And then another much more boldly lined page with a couple of digital stamps on them. And then these are the watermark pages. So these will be ideal for centres, for the centre of a signature, or I suppose you could use it as a backing page. I tend to use them as a the centre for when I sew it together. So there's a rose there. That's a pink rose. And then this one has a quote on the top, dreaming of love. Some cherubs on there. And last but not least is a heart entwined with rose, of course. Now, they're all sized at 11 by 8, although obviously you can resize them as you wish. And they're listed, like I say, listed on my Etsy shop. So if you fancy a look, the video for this, for the journal that I've made using these, will be up at some point late next week, I would think, the way things are panning out at the moment. So thanks very much for watching, and I will speak to you all soon. Take care.